Hi, it's Adrian. How are you doing today? So I'm back doing some videos, and the only update that I can give you is sometimes with grief, you really want to do something, but you're not quite ready to do it. So I'm getting back into it, but I have to admit that it's been going kind of slow here. But as far as some of the summer makeup, I did go ahead and use a Pretty Fresh today. I mixed it with the Essence, and this is Drop of Sunshine. So I have those two on. And then as far as the bronzer today, went ahead and picked up a BPure product over at Dollar Tree. And so this bronzer, and you need to keep the little cap on there, but that's what it looks like, and that's what I went ahead and used today. I thought it was kind of fun. It was sort of, actually it was easy because you can just sort of go shoop, 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 and then blend it in with the brush. So that part really worked well. And again, these are over at Dollar Tree, the Be Pure Bronzing Drops. And then as far as what I went ahead and used for my blush, okay, so as far as the blush, I did go ahead and use the Colourpop. And this one, they're liquid ones with the sparkle in them. And so this is what I went ahead and put on the cheeks. And then for the highlighter, I did use the Royal highlighter. It's one of my favorite ones from NYX. And so that's what I have on there. I think I'm going to put a little bit of Colourpop Seizmic as well. So actually, let me go ahead and get this here. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Balm. And this is just like a balm that you go ahead and put on your lips, but this one is the Lake Glass in the lightest color. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some of the Seizmic by Colourpop over it. So there's that. And yeah, that gives me a little bit more glow. And let's see, what else did I go ahead and use? The lips. And with the lips, I did go ahead and use this Be Pure color. And so it's a lipstick. It's what I have on. And then I did go ahead and use the e.l.f. lip gloss on top of it. And that's what I have there. And this is, I would suggest going ahead and getting this palette out. I tried to pick it up several times and they had sold out. They went ahead and restocked, so I got the Colourpop Shrek one. And I know it's been out for a while, but I think for summer, definitely with some of these deep greens, and burgundy is still so popular and everything. I did use this all over the lid. I used this in the crease, went ahead and used this on the inner corner, and this one is actually one of their glitters. And then I went ahead and used, again, this on the outer corner. So I've been playing with this one for about a week. I just got it, and I would definitely suggest, if you have it, get it out of the closet and start using it this summer. Some of these sparkles are just absolutely gorgeous, and so definitely think that this one is amazing. As far as the finishing powder, I used the Morphe, and this is the Dawn. And this is how the eyes turned out. So a lot of sparkle. And I think that's probably the whole video today. I'm going to be doing a couple of others here in the near future. With my Colourpop order, I did get the Little Mermaid Under the Sea palette. So I'll be going ahead and doing some more with both these palettes. And so this is the Under the Sea, and it's a really pretty one as well. The blues are gorgeous. You can definitely get a couple of neutral looks and a pink look out of here. So again, for summer, this one will be great. And And I think that's the video, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.